now let me take you through the big news where Turkey seems to be cornered for siding with Pakistan. Indians have overwhelmingly decided that they want to ditch travel plans to Turkey. It's going to be a big hit for Turkey's tourism. Nearly 3.5 lakh people from India go to Turkey on holidays on an annual basis. Seems like now on, it will just be different, something to what we saw happen to Maldives. All right, India's call to boycott Turkey has really snowballed into a full-blown economic backlash, with major blows now expected across defense, tourism, trade, investment, all threatening to push Turkey's already crumbling economy now further to the edge. They're not doing very well. The economy is in dwindles. So India really sidelining Turkey now could really be a big blow to where it hurts. The trigger, of course, is Turkey's outright support to Pakistan. Not just moral support. Turkey was very clear to support Pakistan with Turkey-made ammunition. In fact, drones were given to Pakistan that aided Pakistan in the conflict with India. India launched that Operation Sindoor, and at that point, reports overwhelmingly had surfaced that Turkish drones were extensively used that aided Pakistan to set off this almost warlike situation with India. So speaking about Turkey's economy, particularly tourism, Turkey's $61.1 billion tourism sector at this point is staring at a massive loss. In 2024 alone, 3.3 lakh Indians had visited Turkey. Now, at this point, after the support Turkey has given to Pakistan, major travel platforms, including Exigo, Ease My Trip, and Cox and Kings have all halted bookings, not just to Turkey, but also Azerbaijan and China, two of the other countries that have shown support to Pakistan. So clearly here, blood and bookings also will not go hand in hand. Well, let's take you through some of the reactions that has come in on that.
जैसे ही हमें पता चला कि टर्की और अजरबैजान इस लड़ाई में गलत साइड में खड़े, देखिए पाकिस्तान गलत है, ये बात प्रूव हो चुकी है दुनिया में। जो उनका यूएन डेजिग्नेटेड टेररिस्ट है, उसके फ्यूनरल पे पाकिस्तान की आर्मी के लोग, मिलिट्री के लोग खड़े, तो इससे साफ पता चलता है कि पाकिस्तान एक रोग नेशन है, एक टेररिस्ट को पनाह देने वाला नेशन है। उस नेशन को टर्की और अजरबैजान सपोर्ट करें, ड्रोन्स देकर, मनी देकर, ये बात एकदम क्लियर होती है कि हमें इन नेशंस के साथ काम नहीं करना चाहिए। और इसके लिए हमने ट्रैवल एडवाइजरी निकाली थी कि इन कंट्रीज में ट्रैवल नहीं करना चाहिए। वी वर द फर्स्ट वंस जिसने ये ट्रैवल एडवाइजरी निकाली थी। हमें बहुत खुशी है इस बात की कि हमें देखकर काफी सारी ट्रैवल एजेंसीज ने भी ये एडवाइजरी निकाली, और आज के टाइम में हमारे एफर्ट की वजह से बॉयकॉट टर्की, बॉयकॉट अजरबैजान ट्रेंड कर रहा है।
हम सपने में भी नहीं सोच सकते थे कि तुर्की जो ऑपरेशन दोस्त था हमारा, जब हमने ये करा तो वो ऐसा कदम उठाएगा और मतलब हमारे दुश्मन के साथ मिलके सारा काम करेगा। तो इसलिए जो ट्रैवल एजेंट्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया है और बाकी जो ट्रैवल एसोसिएशन हैं, बड़े बड़े जो टूर ऑपरेटर्स, ट्रैवल एजेंट्स हैं, सबने तुर्की का और अजरबैजान का, क्योंकि अजरबैजान ने भी इनको ओपनली सपोर्ट करा है, तो इन दोनों का बाइकआउट करा है। और हम इंडियन चेंबर की तरफ से इन सारी एसोसिएशंस के साथ हैं।
All right, there you have it. In fact, we saw that travel agents have been quite clear, urging a blanket halt on promoting Turkey. In fact, online users also pushing for a boycott Turkey campaign. We know some of the traders, those trading marbles, a lot of the marbles that come from Turkey has now been stopped. Traders say that let's promote Indian marbles. Why should we get Turkish marbles? Turkish apples, that's another big import that Turkey, in fact, benefits from. They export to India, we import from Turkey. That has also now become bleak over the last few days. So Indian material or Indian apples, Indian marble can be promoted. This is the right time. That's what our traders have said. And this could be coming as a big hit for Turkey at this point. What we know now is that India has already scrapped a $2.3 billion naval shipbuilding contract with Turkish firm TAIS, which is one of Turkey's biggest defense deals in Asia. And like I said, in Pune, traders stopping importing Turkish apples completely. They have now chosen Iranian apples and Indian apples in compared to that of Turkey. So that's that. We're looking at Turkey's trade that stood at $13.81 billion in 2022-23. That could really nosedive with India trying to disassociate from Turkey. And also we know that there are no net foreign reserves near zero in Turkey. They're looking at a free fall. So let's just hope Turkey learns a lesson here. If they're arming Pakistan with that ammunition, they've got to be put in their place. Nobody should be entertained for bleeding India. Turkey stands by Pakistan and therefore it faces a ban.